windmill project here. There's a dog. There's Ken. Dave's on the machine there. Well, here we are. I got a sonotube set. This one here is just an extra piece. Sonotubes are set. Went over them really closely with the water level, get them all exactly on the same plane level. Okay, a little documentation here. This is one of the pivoting holes, the one closest to the house and garage. There you go, wired together, rebar, 5 feet deep, 25 or 6 inches in diameter. Okay, next one over. That's the pivot, the one that's up in the field, 4 feet deep. The hole slightly offset here. I moved the hole slightly. Maybe I shouldn't have, but I tried to make the pattern square. Same thing, rebarred, J-Holstein in there. 4 feet deep, 4'3" actually. Come over here. Oh, these are covered up. Well, I was saying that one's going to be 4. That one over there is again 5. Here, I'll cover it so we can document what it is. These are done up this way. So you got 2 anchor bolts, same rebar cage. But this time I got the bolts coming down through that angle. Each of the bolts has a big giant washer stack on them. Then you got your angle, and then below that drops down another, well in this case 12 inches, and the other side 18 inches. Down to another piece of angle to hold on to that concrete. Alright, here's my windmill. There's my lower leg extra supports, temporary 4x4s with angle bracket bolts on them just to beef up them lower legs. Here's my tower. Got the windmill put together. Here's the fan. I had some good video of it when I was putting it together with my crane pole, but the memory card crap died, so I don't have any video of it. So there you go.